Haverigg is a place of dramatic contrasts in land and seascapes. For a short, simple walk, cross the bridge, go past the Harbour Hotel and take the beachside path round the green. Notice the mosaics dotted along. There is a well-equipped children's play area adjacent to Betty's, a seasonal beach cafe. At the end of the path there is a sculpture titled Escape to Light. It is dedicated to all inshore rescue volunteers. The sandy beaches can be enjoyed at high or low tide, and the dunes are perfect for dog and nature lovers alike. 4 miles up the coast is Silecroft, with a new beach cafe open 5 days a week, serving tasty breakfasts and lunches. What's not to like? So why wait to make your holiday booking? Here are the details you need.